The Toyota 2ZZ-GE is an engine that excites enthusiasts with its high-revving nature, impressive power output, and legendary reliability. Built for performance and precision, this engine has powered some of Toyota's most beloved sports cars, offering an exhilarating driving experience that keeps fans coming back for more. Whether you're a tuner, racer, or just a car enthusiast, the 2ZZ-GE's reputation as a high-performance gem is undeniable. Developed in collaboration with Yamaha, the 1.8-liter inline-4 2ZZ-GE is a naturally aspirated powerhouse. It features dual overhead cams DOHC, VVTL-i, variable valve timing and lift intelligence system, and a 10,000 RPM redline potential in some applications. This high-strung engine produces 180 horsepower at 7,600 RPM, delivering a thrilling surge of power when the cam profile switches at higher revs. The VVTL-i system mimics Honda's VTEC, making it perfect for spirited driving. Paired with a close-ratio 6-speed manual transmission, the 2ZZ-GE allows drivers to maximize its power band, making it a joy to rev out. The 2ZZ-GE has found a home in lightweight sports cars like the Toyota Celica GT-S, Lotus Elise, and Corolla T-Sport, giving them an incredible power-to-weight ratio. The aluminum alloy construction ensures that the engine remains light yet strong, while the forged internals and high-flow cylinder head make it highly tunable. Enthusiasts love modifying this engine with turbochargers, superchargers, and standalone ECUs to unlock its true potential. While the exterior of the vehicles housing the 2ZZ-GE varies, they all share one thing in common: an aggressive, sporty stance designed for aerodynamics and performance. Cars like the Celica GT-S boast sleek, coupe-like designs with bold lines and lightweight chassis, emphasizing speed and agility. Meanwhile, the Lotus Elise utilizes the 2ZZ-GE for its mid-engine layout, offering a perfect balance of power and handling in a lightweight package. Inside, the cars powered by the 2ZZ-GE feature driver-centric dashboards with sporty gauges, a tachometer that screams past 8,000 RPM, and minimalistic yet functional layouts. The Celica GT-S offers race-inspired bucket seats and a clean, performance-focused interior, while the Lotus Elise keeps things ultra-lightweight with bare essentials, maximizing the connection between car and driver. For those who crave raw, naturally aspirated performance, the Toyota 2ZZ-GE remains an iconic, high-revving engine that delivers thrills on every drive. Its lightweight design, tunability, and motorsport pedigree make it a legend among enthusiasts, proving that Toyota's engineering brilliance extends far beyond economy cars.